Yeah, pull it forward.
A little more light always helps.
Pull it forward. Like this. Yeah? You gonna put the chocolate in? Almost time. Not quite. Not quite. Not quite.
Sorry. Maybe he should just eat one.
You want to eat some? Eat some chocolate. Okay. Then what comes next? Do we put the flour in? Okay. Come here. You want to help Honey dump it? That's right. Oh, that's right. Oh, you're such a big boy. Okay. And then what do we do? You want to pull the knob again? Here. You want to eat it? Are they cookies for Santa Claus? Are those cookies for Santa